We are back again. For some football. Time for some foosball. What's up, everybody? Alright, it's almost 11 o'clock. Let's get rolling. I got 2 blasters. Two mega boxes, which from what I saw, everybody says the mega boxes are way better than the blasters. We're going to find out. And then I got the 3 auto hobby box. I will teach you how to football. Alright, starting off with a blaster. Good luck, everybody. Let's get about 1 million cool cards. You're just mad because you got all them teeth and no toothbrush. Alright, here we go. Some Topps football. Looks like we may have something cool already. I could be wrong though. Alright, starting off with a Warren Moon. Terry Bradshaw. We got a refractor, Brian Westbrook. Anthony Richardson on the back. Cool Richardson. And this is a Jerry Rice to the 49ers. It was just really thick. Not numbered. We did get an Anthony Richardson Voltiac to the Colts. All right, pack number 2 looks like another Anthony Richardson on the back. We got a Keenan McCardell, Lawrence Taylor on the black. Got a modern artist. Who is that? Rod Smith to the Broncos. Anthony Richardson. And we got, I'm assuming, Earl Campbell on the Allen and Ginner. That's to the Titans. Formerly known as the Houston Oilers. That is a very good point, Travis. Very good point indeed. We got another thick card in here. We got a Tim Brown. Lawrence Taylor on the Cosmic. Ed McCaffrey on the Sepia, it looks like. We got an Anthony Richardson and a Neil Anderson on the Grounded. Anthony Richardson on the Topps gallery. We're getting all the Anthony Richardson so far, in case you're wondering. 3 for 3 on Anthony Richardson. Hey, what do you know? They just put them all, each box gets one rookie. We got a thick card here. What is this? I don't know why it's so thick. I'm assuming. We got a Gronk on the front. Hey, we got a Midnight Will Levis. That's a sweet card. Midnight. It is non-numbered. We got a Howie Long. I forgot what these are called. I mean, it's cosmic, but I forgot what the little circle ones are called. Another Anthony Richardson. And another Anthony Richardson. Holy cow. Why is there so many? Anthony Richardson for days. That is a nice Will Levis, though. That's a thicker card. That's a sweet Will Levis, actually. I like Will Levis because he went to UK. I don't know how rare these Midnight cards are, but it's cool. Cool Levis. All right, we got Maurice Jones-Drew to the Jaguars. Jim Kelly to the Bills. Hey, we got an auto. Looks like it's going to the Panthers. Muhsin Muhammad. Auto. It is going to the Panthers. Resurgence. See, who said the Blasters aren't very good? I have no idea who this is. Maybe someone else can tell me. No clue. But there you go, Scott. Yeah, Scott picked them up. He closed us out. Then we had an Earl Campbell and an Emmitt Smith. And there's apparently 1 million different kinds of Topps cards in here. Scott closed us out, so he got some good luck. Travis did try. But I already traded him to Scott for a Big Mac. He missed out. Alright, we got a Dexter Manley. Jim McMahon on the Topps Chrome Black. We got a flashback insert to the Broncos. Dan Marino and Rod Smith. Indeed. Alright, so we got a Fred Taylor. Torrey Holt to the Rams. Hey, I think we might have a numbered card, maybe? No, it's just pink. We got a pink grounded James White to the Patriots. I like James White, too. He's a beast. It's pink, so it's some kind of pink parallel, but it is not numbered. Pretty cool, huh? Art Monk. I mean, there's like a million different Topps products. Delaney Walker to the Titans. All right, last pack of the first blaster. Sterling Sharp on the back. We got a Darren Woodson. Hines Ward. We got a Midnight Jay Novacek. Going to the Cowboys. Ray Lewis and a Sterling Sharp on the rainbow. It's a rainbow. All right, blaster number 1 in the books. You daggone right, Travis. Me either, buddy. Me either. We would have to look up what like the short prints are, because I don't know either. I was just hoping to get some cool cards. Blaster number 2. Mike Singletary on the back. Alright, starting off with a Jerry Rice. There you go, Travis. Devin Hester. Dan Fouts, refractor. Mike Singletary and John Riggins. We got a Dante Culpepper, Adrian Peterson on the black. We got Sterling Sharp, Zach Thomas, and another Jerry Rice. It's the Jerry Rice box. Got a pink Joe Thomas. Hey, there's Bo Jackson. On the Cosmic, we got a pink Zach Thomas. The pinks apparently are not numbered. Dan Marino and Rodney Hampton. Haven't saw any Brady's yet. Where are the Brady's? Alright, we got Ray Lewis. Hey, Peyton Manning midnight to the Colts. We got a numbered nice one to the Panthers. Numbered Bryce Young. Out of 150. 36 out of 150 blue Bryce Young. I would consider that a color match. 36 out of 150 Bryce Young. Hopefully he plays good. If not, can definitely sell that on eBay, Scott. Bryce Young. Yeah, right. Emmitt Smith. And I am going to sleeve the Peyton Manning. All right, we got a Darren Sproles, Rod Woodson. We got a Drew Pearson X-Fractor to the Cowboys. Brett Favre, and Neil Anderson. Yeah, Brandon's got a bunch of Anthony Richardsons. No CJ Stroud yet, though. They're saving all those for the hobby box, for the autos. Joe Montana. Maurice Jones-Drew on the black. Modern artist of Darren Sproles to the Chargers. Chad Johnson and Peyton Manning. Ocho Cinco. All right, we got an Ozzie Newsome. Jason Taylor. Got a pink Tom Brady. Pink Tom Brady. Not numbered as noted previously, but it is a pink Tom Brady. Sterling Sharp and Brett Favre. It's a cool looking Brett Favre card. All etch. Brett Favre. Pink Tom Brady. You got a couple Maurice Jones-Drews. Sorry, Sean. Hey, Randy Moss on the back. Alright. It is his favorite color, Lawrence Taylor. Randall Cunningham. We got a Jerry Rice Midnight. These are just cool cards. Jason Sehorn and a Randy Moss. It's shiny. Randy Moss refractor to the Vikings. Jerry Rice Midnight. Alright, 2 blasters down. Mega Bucks. I guess that's technically the front. Alright, let's see how cool the Mega Boxes are. So far, Panthers definitely doing the best. Let's see if we can change that. He's from West Virginia, son. Him and Jason Williams from the same place. And it's awesome. Alright, here we go on the Mega Box, Monster Box, whatever you want to call it. Lawrence Taylor. Donovan McNabb. We got an Eddie George. Andre Reed. Midnight, Randy Moss, there he is. And we got a blue Herman Moore out of 325. 289 out of 325, Herman Moore. We got a Neil Anderson, Jason Sehorn, Sterling Sharp, and Kurt Warner to the Cardinals. Herman Moore out of 325. Going to the Lions. Detroit Lions, Herman Moore. Bryce Young, I'll put you in the middle. Emmett on the back. Alright, we got an Eddie George, Charles Tillman, Nolan Cromwell, Deuce McAllister, that's a name I haven't heard in a while. We got a Chris Johnson X-Fractor. That's right, Sean. Going to the Titans. We got a Dan Marino Modern Artist. Brett Favre. Maurice Jones-Drew, there he is. Mike Singletary and Emmitt Smith on the Topps gallery. That's a cool Chris Johnson. At one time, the fastest man in the league. He was a beast. Bryce Young on the back. Alright, we got Jerome Bettis. Kurt Warner on the Topps Chrome Black. We got a Bruce Smith on the Finest. Mike Singletary on the Midnight. Those might be my favorite cards. We got Jerome Bettis, Grounded. To the Steelers. Donovan McNabb to the Eagles. John Elway. Tom Brady. Ray Lewis. And a Bryce Young rookie. Oh, throwing packs around. Another Bryce Young. Alright, we got a Brett Favre. Sean Alexander to the Seahawks. James Harrison. Brett Favre again. Charles Tillman, refractor. Rod Smith on the gallery to the Broncos. There's Barry. Bryce Young, Bryce Young, Bryce Young. 3 in a row. Alrighty. That is what you call good collation. Now we need the CJ Stroud box. Come on. All the Bryce Youngs. Yeah, some might call this a decent, a decent Panthers break, huh? Hey, there's Anthony Richardson on the chrome. Nice Anthony Richardson. Hey, there's CJ Stroud. First one. And it's Topps Chrome Black. Got a Dan Marino. Midnight Tom Brady. Hey, we got another auto snuck up on me. This time I believe is going to the Cowboys. It is. Terrence Newman. Terrence Newman going to the Cowboys. Cornerback. Forgive me, Cowboys fans, if I don't know who he is. But congrats. Congrats nonetheless. My football knowledge may not be as great as others. But congrats. You have the Cowboys, Travis? Can't remember. That is a nice CJ. CJ Stroud. Congrats, buddy. Got you an auto. One autograph. Alright, we got a Sterling Sharp. Bo Jackson. And Bo Jackson. It's like they just stuck players, you know, side by side. Just all the same card. Kind of random. Opening some top loaders. I'm assuming when Fanatics finally gets the NFL licensing, they'll have a lot more variety than this. But this is what we got. We got a Sean Alexander. Bryce Young. Cool looking Bryce Young. Cornelius Bennett. Looks like we got some kind of numbered card coming up. Troy Aikman. Donovan McNabb. Is this going to be numbered? Maybe not. I don't see a number, but it is blue. Tiny circles. To the Eagles. I have no idea what that's called. Sterling Sharp. We got Woodson Tom Brady and Jay Novacek. Cool Donovan McNabb, though. You got Dak. I hope Baker Mayfield keeps destroying. Because like I said, I picked him in the 9th round. And he put up like 38 points or something. Got him good. Sweet Bryce Young. Alright, second mega. And then we got the hobby. See if we can get another auto in here. I surely hope so. Right now it's looking like we're going to get at least 5 autos, which is pretty good. Maybe we can catch another one in here. With the first pick and he didn't even play. That hurts. Alright, Dan Feltz, Zach Thomas. Got an Andre Reed. Zach Thomas again. Drew Bledsoe on the midnight. And we got a numbered Mike Singletary going to the Bears. 99 out of 99 on the green. That's an eBay 1 of 1. Mike Singletary. Jerry Rice, Tom Brady. Novacek and Jerry Rice again. Mike Singletary out of 99. You had Aaron Rodgers last year. Man, you got some good luck. That is rough. Mike Singletary green. Anthony Richardson on the back. All right, we got a Doug Williams. Dan Marino. Anthony Munoz. Got a Darren Woodson. Chris Johnson on the X-Fractor. Chris Johnson grounded. Anthony Richardson, is it going to be 3? No, but it is 2. 2 Anthony Richardsons in a row. So many Anthony Richardsons. There is 1 million. And he did an epic TV celebration. Which was hilarious. All right. Jim McMahon. Barry Foster. Jerry Rice on the finest. John Elway on the midnight. There's a Will Levis. Cool looking card. Brett Favre on the Prism Refractor. Hines Ward. We got Anthony Richardson, and Earl Campbell. So many Richardsons. And I'm pretty sure Anthony Richardson actually had a card in the baseball in Allen and Ginter too. Pretty sure he was one of them that did. I know Will Levis and Bryce Young did. And maybe C.J. Stroud too. You're getting 1 million Jerry Rices. Hopefully, a Joe Montana auto would be pretty sweet. He does have autos. There's the Mayo man himself, Will Levis. The king of Mayo. Hey, that does sound pretty sweet. That sounds pretty awesome. Alright, we got a J.J. Watt. Boomer, there he is to the Bengals. There's a Boomer. Another Boomer. Adrian Peterson, that may be our first Adrian Peterson. Ray Lewis Refractor. Keyshawn Johnson. There's a Steve Young. Dan Marino, Rod Smith, Delaney Walker. All right, Terry Bradshaw. There's a Tom Brady. Dante Culpepper. There's a Mike Vick. That's a sweet Mike Vick. Hey, and we got another auto. To Steve Grogan. It's going to the Patriots. Patriots auto. Man, they're getting us good with these names, though. I'll tell you. They are getting us good. I could be wrong, but again, not super familiar with old Steve there. I do know Phil Simms. Moorhead State. Maurice Jones-Drew. Good question, Travis. Good question indeed. Ray Lewis, Randy Moss, Steve Young. Good question indeed. It says he's a quarterback. New England Patriots quarterback. But judging by his signature and the fact that no one knows who he is, I'm assuming he played 1 million years ago. He may have started the 85 Super Bowl. See, there you go. See, Rory knows. Rory's putting us all to shame right now. See? Not that bad. Not that bad after all, huh? We got a J.J. Watt on the blue. It's a sweet J.J. Watt. Not numbered. To the Texans. Modern artist. Sterling Sharp. Another Bryce Young. Deuce McAllister. Jerry Rice. Chris Johnson. Apparently, Travis. It's because it's an old helmet. He was not afraid of concussions. Alright, time for the hobby box. Let's see what it's all about. Time for the hobby. 3 autos. 3 good autos? Question mark? I don't know. We're going to find out together. Looks like it's going to be 12 packs. Is that what it's supposed to be? What does it say on here? 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what the hobby box is about. C.J. Stroud on the finest. Dan Marino, Hines Ward. We got a gold Bryce Young. Gold Bryce Young out of 50. 43 out of 50. Bryce Young. That's a good card. Got a Howie Long refractor. That's right. Frank Gore. Jerome Bettis. Gold Bryce Young, 43 out of 50. Nice C.J. Stroud. Alright, we got a Hines Ward. Justin Tuck. There's a Michael Vick. Steve Young. on the midnight. We got a Darren Sproles, a numbered Darren Sproles. It's going to be 135 out of 199. 135 out of 199. Going to the Chargers. Good thing you didn't, Scott. Numbered Darren Sproles. Out of 199. Jerry Rice, Jim Kelly, and Rod Smith. Alright, we got a Warren Moon. Boomer. Got an Eddie George. We got our first auto here, I believe. Looks like a purple Topps Chrome auto. It is gonna be James White. Nice one. Going to the Patriots. 149 out of 199. 149 out of 199. James White. He always did good in the Super Bowl. Always a solid player. James White auto out of 199. Cool card. Cool card indeed. And we had a Barry Sanders refractor. Chris Johnson. Troy Aikman and Adrian Peterson to the Vikings. Jason Sehorn, Earl Campbell, Donovan McNabb. We got Andre Reed on the midnight. We got Joe Montana, refractor. Refractor Joe Montana, Andre Reed, Terrell Davis, and a Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning. Gronk. Alright, we got a Charles Woodson, John Elway, Darren Woodson. We got a green. It might be our next auto. A green Mel Renfro on the green, which is out of 175. 154 out of 175, Mel Renfro going to the Cowboys. Mel Renfro. He's them boys. Mel Renfro, everybody knows him. A Barry Sanders, refractor. Earl Campbell, grounded. Chris Johnson, and a Gronk. Another Anthony Richardson. 1 million of those. Phil Simms. We got a Dan Marino. Midnight Rod Smith. Edgerrin James. Topps Finest refractor. Tom Brady on the gallery. Randy Moss. Darren Sproles. Kalen finally decided to show up. It's fine, Kalen. Holy moly. We got a super thick card. Alright, we got a Lynn Dickey. There's a sweet CJ Stroud. Adrian Peterson. Hey, here's a cool CJ Stroud. Oh, some might call this a cool card, huh? What do you think about that? CJ Stroud patch auto out of 99. 35 out of 99. There is the fire that we've been looking for. Kalen arrived and brought us some good luck. Patch auto, it's thick. Will it fit in here? It will. It'll fit in a 180. Sorry, Bryce Young. Who should I take down here? Herman Moore. CJ. That's a good point. Very good point. Could just hold it hostage. You could get it in the mail, Travis, and be like, Ty didn't send it. I don't know where it went. But please don't do that. Got an Eli Manning refractor. Jerry Rice. Emmitt Smith. And Arian Foster. Name I haven't heard in a while. Definitely the card of the night. I know his autos sell pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, we got a Sean Alexander. Javon Curse. Got a Jay Novacek. We got a purple. In front of that, we got an Anthony Richardson Midnight. I know, right? That's a good point. I might accidentally send it to the wrong Travis. We got a purple Steve Young. That's a nice Steve Young. To the 49ers out of 125. 44 out of 125 on the Steve Young. Anthony Richardson. Lawrence Taylor and Barry Sanders. All right, we got a Jerome Bettis. Will Levis, finest rookie. I agree. We got a Bo Jackson. Doug Williams. Mike Singletary. Ooh, that's a numbered Mike Singletary on the Midnight. That is out of 25. 7 out of 25. That's a cool card. Cool Mike Singletary going to the Bears. Chad Johnson, Michael Vick, and Okoye. See, aren't you guys happy I decided to do football break? This is literally the only hobby box of this that I got. And I was very close to opening it for myself. Talk myself out of it. We may have a red here, maybe? I don't know. Brett Favre. I said, let's do it for the boys. And here we are. Jason Sehorn. Pulling CJ Stroud autos. Barry Foster. We got a Midnight Jerry Rice. This may actually be pink. It is pink. It is. Drew Bledsoe. To the Patriots. 144 out of 399. 144 out of 399, Drew Bledsoe. Peyton Manning, Neil Anderson, and John Elway. Let's sleeve some of these. I really like these midnight cards. They are cool. I like them. Out of 25. That should go up here, right? Steve Young. It's a lot of top loaders. Will Levis. All right, 2 packs to go. Two packs remain. Holy cow. That is insanity. Tom Brady. Ray Lewis. We got Barry Sanders. Is that a negative? Looks like a negative Barry Sanders to the Lions. That's pretty cool. D'Angelo Hall, refractor. Emmitt Smith, Sterling Sharp, and Eli Manning. It's a negative. It's a sweet Barry Sanders. Final pack. All right, we got an Eddie George, Tom Brady, Devin Hester on the midnight, Tom Brady again, refractor, Marcus Allen. We got a numbered Jim Kelly to the Bills on the blue lava out of 75. 8 out of 75, Jim Kelly. Eli Manning, Chad Johnson, and Jerome Bettis. Jim Kelly out of 75. And that does us, guys. Appreciate y'all filling this. I will do a recap. We'll see how many of each of the 4 big rookies we got here. I'm going to organize them. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Sorry the video does look a tad choppy on this one for some reason. On my playback anyway, I could be wrong. Last time I thought my video was terrible and it was alright, so it's hard to tell sometimes. Alright, let's organize these real fast. And then I'll do a recap. Stroud. Anthony Richardson definitely got the most. Base rookies. Yeah, we just never do football, you know? So that's why. I do like to do football occasionally. I do like football. So it'd be good to mix it up every once in a while. Maybe one day. Bunch of Bryce Youngs, though, too. Will Levis. Richardson. All right. All right, recap time. We'll start off with Anthony Richardson, rookies. Of which we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Richardson rookies. And these are them. Gallery. I don't even know what that one is. Topps Chrome. Gallery again. Allen and Ginter. That's a cool looking one. And the Midnight. CJ Strouds, we only had 3, but we did have a pretty cool CJ Stroud other than these 3. We had the black, the finest, and this one. Will Levis, we had the Midnight, and the finest, 3 Levises. 1 million Bryce Youngs. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, non-rookie cards that are not on the stands. We had a James White pink, non-numbered. Sterling Sharp rainbow foil. Tom Brady pink, non-numbered. Donovan McNabb on the blue, non-numbered, and J.J. Watt blue. We had a Darren Sproles out of 199. Darren Sproles out of 199. Herman Moore out of 325. Drew Bledsoe out of 399 to the Patriots. Mike Singletary 99 out of 99 to the Bears. Steve Young to the 49ers out of 125. We had a Barry Sanders negative to the Lions. And a Jim Kelly to the Bills out of 75. All right, up here on the wall, we had Steve Grogan auto, Patriots. Mel Renfro auto out of 175 to the Cowboys. Terrence Newman auto to the Cowboys. Muhsin Muhammad to the Panthers, I believe. Yeah, Panthers. We had Mike Singletary at 7 out of 25 on the Midnight. 7 out of 25. James White auto at a 199. We had a gold and a blue Bryce Young. Gold out of 50 and a blue out of 150. And then definitely the hit of the break, CJ Stroud patch auto out of 99. 35 out of 99. CJ Stroud. And that does us, guys. Appreciate you all. Like I said, I'm pretty sure Kaylin's doing the next break. Probably post it tomorrow. But until then, I'm out. See you guys.